Hi guys, this video is regarding that how can you crack CTET in your first attempt. So if you are just starting from scratch, that is you don't have any idea that how to prepare, or you haven't prepared for it before, then you can focus on CDP. That is pedagogy, complete pedagogy, not only CDP. See, CDP comes off 30 marks, okay? And in each subject, like suppose see, I am talking about maths and science, okay? So suppose it's of maths. Okay. In math, there is 15 marks CDP. Okay. And 15 marks is of subject knowledge. Similar is with science. Okay. It is 15 marks CDP. Similar is with English. Okay. 15 marks CDP. Similar it's with Hindi. Okay. 15 marks CDP. So you can see that 90 marks is CDP. So 30 here, 30 plus 30. Okay. So out of 90 out of 150 is CDP. So you know, for like I am talking about general category. If we talk about general category, 90 marks is the qualifying marks. So that means by only studying the CDP, if you just score, see, it's a hypothetical thing, no, that you won't score full marks in CDP. Obviously, you are bound to make some mistakes, no. So still, but many things you can attempt. Like obviously, if you prepare for CDP, English passage one, passage question, poem question, similarly Hindi passage, you can attempt. In science also you'll get something, and in maths also you will get something because some basic very mensuration formulas are asked. So you can do it. Okay. So obviously, if you prepare, if you focus on the CDP, if you are preparing for the first time, and if you want to crack it the first time only, then you can easily crack it through CDP. Okay, because other things in Hindi English, you will get at least 10 to 15 marks minimum. I'm saying you get because the passages are easy. Okay, you can attempt them. And the science also, if you haven't studied any NCRT, but still you will get something because it is like 6th to 10th level science. No, you will understand. Because see, if you have 1 month or if you are preparing for the first time, and if you start studying maths and science, suppose if you are trying to complete the NCRT, okay, see, the fact is that from 6 to 8 NCRT now it is not asked fully. Some questions you can attempt, okay, but I think for the preparation you will have to study 6 to 10 NCRT. So if you don't have time and if you are preparing for the first time, firstly you should focus on the CDP, okay, because it is more scoring. Okay, then you can go for science and maths and then last English Hindi. Okay, and the maths, see, math is very easy, but then it takes time. You don't have that much time, no? It's like your paper is for 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, that means what? That means 150 questions in 150 minutes. Okay, that means one question in 1 minute. So it is not possible if you just try to solve it for a long time. Like if you just don't remember the formula, and if you are doing hit and trial methods, it will be difficult for you because you will lose time. No, so it's better that you attempt science and all before, and that's why CDP is very beneficial because you just have to take it. You don't have to calculate the answers. So it will help you obviously. So if you want to crack your CTET for the first time in the first attempt, obviously you should go for CDP first. Then after that you should prepare for other things. If you even try all the question papers of at least 5-6 years, you'll get through the exam. And you'll score more than 90 easily, like 113 and 120 like that. Okay. Thank you.